So good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Uh, uh, our topic for today, what we're going to talk about is a non-traditional application of tea or the ingredients, a food ingredient coming from Camellia sinensis bush. I've been putting tea into water for industrial purposes since 1998. And most of it used to be for ready-to-drink tea and the beverage applications. But later, things evolved, and then we started making nutraceutical ingredients and antioxidants. Today, I'm going to talk about how tea extract, specifically green tea extract, is finding its way into the food industry, which is underappreciated because today also we all had some meal or some part of the food that has green tea as an antioxidant, which has gone in there. So, what is an antioxidant means, to understand that you need to look at how food products perish. The food products perish by microbial as well as oxidation. So, to prevent the food perishing by microbes, we use preservatives or use a thermal process, pasteurizing. Sometimes packaging that does not allow microbes to come in, or store at reduced temperatures. But in the ancient wisdom, people used to add spices or similar materials to control oxidation. That's how rosemary or similar things emerged. Different cultures used different ingredients. Then later came synthetic antioxidants like BHT. BHT is BHA, propyl gallate, TBHQ is tertiary butyl hydroxyquinone, EDTA is ethylene diamine tetracetic acid, and so on. So, in the 1950s, rosemary and vitamin E, tocopherols, emerged as a natural antioxidant in food. They used that to protect oil and fat containing food, which is otherwise prone to oxidation. And in the 80s, green tea also emerged into the food ingredient chain. And later, also, when the packaging technology advanced, a combination of packaging technology along with antioxidants improved the shelf life of product in meat, oil, butter, or whatever things that are oxidized. And there is not only fat-containing things. The oxidation is affecting the color of the product, flavor of the product. It increases the rancidity and off flavors as well. Look at the spectrum of natural antioxidants used by the food industry today. Its primary material is tocopherols, which is coming from palm oil. The waste product in the palm oil refining is enriched to recover vitamin E, tocopherols, mixed tocopherols, tocotrienols, and so on. The next largest is rosemary. 3 chemicals are in rosemary extract responsible for the antioxidant activity: carnosic acid, carnosol, rosmarinic acid. They are often extracted by solvent, hydrocarbons. European Union has an E number for rosemary extract. They are made in oil-soluble or water-soluble forms and induced in the food system. In tea, the polyphenols, as we all know, they are all water-soluble components, EGCG and group catechins. EGCG is epigallocatechin gallate, the Ferrari of the catechins, the most potent antioxidant. They are extracted by solvent or water as a medium and made in water-soluble or oil-soluble formats and used. Here's a spectrum of global natural antioxidant consumption: 60,000 metric tons of formulated product worth $2 billion in the final value as a formula is used by the food industry globally. And green tea alone is $300 to $400 million. And the tocopherols is 33%, and green tea is 17%, just behind rosemary extract. What is the advantage of green tea is we're talking about excess production of tea, and there's excess material getting held up, where when there is tea can be mass produced as an ingredient, not just gourmet or the high premium value tea. The leaves can be converted directly into an extracted product and formulated in an appropriate manner to be used in beverages, fats and oils, meat and poultry. And again, one of the important thing to note is in stabilizing red meat, the effect of green tea polyphenols is way better than rosemary. That's the studies are there and it is being practiced. So all the red meat antioxidants will contain more of green tea than rosemary. Sometimes these are used in combinations and also along with tocopherols. Frying oil is another important area where Korea has done phenomenal work on stabilizing palm oil and soybean oil for frying materials, because in a typical noodle manufacturing line wastes 5 tons of frying oil every day to maintain the oxidative stability of the product as well as the quality of the oil. So by dosing antioxidant mixture into the oil, it reduces the consumption of oil and saves a lot of money for the manufacturer. Here are some of the practical examples of green tea used in combination in an antioxidant in oxidation management. Duralox is from Calsec, USA. Handari is from Belgium. It used to be part of the Danish company, but now they are owned by Handari Group in Belgium. And the largest of this lot is Chemin in USA. They are present everywhere. GT40 is an oil-soluble esterified form of green tea, which goes into several applications, including frying. So how do we set up a project, a viable project for an extract from the green tea? There are prerequisites. There should be leaves available at a reasonable price, probably mechanized harvest, and consistent quality of polyphenols in them. Agri-residues, another important thing that EU and other markets are worried about. There should be appropriate extraction technology, and it is not tea market, I would say. It's a food ingredient market. There should be access to the food ingredient network. That's the most important factor in this business. So I want to leave this with you, a closing remark, that every green leaf, a kilo harvested tea has $1 worth of antioxidant value in it with the current trading price. Means around $20 to $25 is a primary antioxidant extract value in the market globally. And it takes around 20 kilos, 16 to 20 kilos of green leaf to produce that from green tea, to make a green tea extracts. That's $1 antioxidant value in what we throw out as unused or unsold green tea. Thank you.